Welcome to the Half-Hour English Listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation at a convenience store. In this video, you will follow a short and simple story about two friends, Charlotte and Peter, who go to a convenience store together. Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What do you say if you want the staff to heat up your food? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Charlotte, I'm so thirsty. And I'm a little hungry too.
Oh, look. There is a convenience store right across the street. Do you want to go and buy something?
A convenience store? Yes, I want to. But actually, I'm a little worried.
Worried? What are you worried about?
Home. I'm not very good at buying things in English. Every time I try, I get really nervous. I don't know what to say to the store clerk.
Oh, I understand. But don't worry. Buying things at a convenience store is actually very simple. The sentences are all short.
Really? Can you teach me some useful phrases before we go inside?
Of course. First, if you can't find something, you can ask, "Where is?" For example, "Where is the water?"
Where's the water? Okay, that's simple.
Right. And look at the drinks. Some are cold and some are hot. In winter, many people like hot coffee in a can.
Cold and hot. I see. I want something cold today.
Good. And one more thing. If you want to buy a meal, like a lunchbox, you might want it warm.
A lunchbox. Yes, I'm hungry. But how do I make it warm?
You can ask the staff, "Can you heat this up?" That means, "Please make this hot."
Can you heat this up? Wow, that is very useful.
Yes, it is. Where is? And can you heat this up? These two phrases are all you need to start.
Okay, I remember. Where is? And can you heat this up? I feel much more confident now.
Great, Peter. Let's go inside. I'm right here with you.
Okay, Charlotte. Look at all these shelves. There are so many things here.
Yes, a convenience store has everything. What do you want to find first?
I'm very thirsty. I want some water.
Okay, remember the phrase? Try to ask me.
Where is the water?
Perfect. The water is over there, in the cooler. A cooler is a big refrigerator with glass doors.
Cooler, I see. Oh, there are many types of water here.
Yes, this is a bottle of water. It is plastic. And that is a can of soda. It is metal.
Bottles and cans. Okay, I understand. I see some are very small, and some are very big.
That's right. You can choose the size. This is a small bottle. And that is a large bottle.
I'll take a small bottle. It's easy to carry.
Good choice. And Peter, look at this sign. It says, buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free. So if I buy one bottle, I get another one for free.
Exactly. It is a very common deal in convenience stores.
That's amazing. I'll take 2 bottles then. But Charlotte, I also need an umbrella. It might rain later.
An umbrella? I don't see them on the shelves. Let's ask the staff.
What should I say if I can't find something?
You can say, do you have any? For example, do you have any umbrellas?
Do you have any umbrellas? Okay, I'll try that.
And one more thing, Peter. Look at the price tag below the items. It shows how much they cost.
Price tag, I see. This bottle of water is $1.
Yes, if you are not sure about the price, you can ask, how much is this?
How much is this? And do you have any? These are very useful.
They really are. And Peter, look at this date on the bottle. This is the expiration date. It tells you when the food is no longer fresh.
Expiration date. All right, I will check the date regularly.
Great. I remember you mentioned being hungry. Do you want to look at the food?
Yes, I am. I want to eat something.
Look over here. These are snacks. Snacks are small things like potato chips or chocolate.
I like snacks, but I want a real meal. What do you call those boxes with rice and meat?
Those are lunch boxes. In English, we sometimes call them bento too.
Lunch box. Okay, I see a chicken one and a beef one. I want the chicken one. What should I say?
It's very easy. You can say, I'll take this one. Or, can I get this chicken lunchbox?
I'll take this one. Okay, I'll remember that. But Charlotte, this lunchbox is cold. I want to eat it hot.
If you want it hot, you need to ask the staff to heat it up. Do you remember how to ask for it to be heated?
Heat it up. Haha, sorry, I forgot. How should I ask?
Just say, can you heat this up, please? The staff will put it in the microwave for you.
Can you heat this up? Please. Okay, I got it. First, I say I'll take this one. Then I ask, can you heat this up?
Exactly. You are doing a really great job, Peter. Are you ready to go to the counter?
I'm a little nervous, but I want to try. What do I say first?
Just put your bottle of water and your lunchbox on the counter. The staff will say, "Hello." You can say hi back.
Okay. Hi. And then,
Then, you can tell them you want to heat up your lunchbox. Use the phrase I taught you.
can you heat this up, please?
Perfect. And the staff might ask you, "Do you need a bag?" A bag is what you use to carry everything home.
Do you need a bag? If I want a bag, what should I say?
You can say, "Yes, please." If you don't need one, say, "No, thank you."
Yes, please. No, thank you. What about the money?
Good question. They will ask, cash or card? Cash is paper money. Card is your credit card. If you want to pay by card, you can say, "Please charge it to my card."
Cash or card? I understand.
One last thing. After you pay, they will give you a receipt. That is the paper that shows the price.
Receipt. Okay. I think I am ready now. Let's go.
Hello, welcome. Is that all for today?
Hi. Yes. And can you heat this up, please?
Sure, no problem. It will take 1 minute. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Okay, that will be $8. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Here is your lunchbox. It's very hot. And here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hi, can I get this coffee and these snacks?
Of course. That will be $5.
Here you go. Cash, please.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Okay, would you like your receipt in the bag?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Charlotte, I did it. I bought my lunch and I even asked for a bag in English.
Peter, I'm so proud of you. You did a really great job inside.
Thanks, Charlotte. I feel so happy. I actually bought my lunch in English.
See? I told you it was easy. Now, let's eat. Oh, wait, did you get a fork?
A fork. Is that the thing I use to eat my chicken?
Yes, a fork is for picking up food. And if you have soup, you use a spoon.
Fork and spoon. Oh, the staff put a fork in my bag.
That's good. And did you see these? These are chopsticks. They are very popular in Japan and China.
Chopsticks. I know that word. I like using chopsticks.
Great. Now, before we eat, Let's do a quick review. Let's see if you remember everything.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it.
First question. What do you call the big refrigerator with glass doors where you found your water?
That is a cooler. And I checked the size. I chose a small bottle.
Excellent. And what should you check on the bottle to make sure the food is fresh?
The expiration date. It tells me when the food is no longer fresh.
That's right. Now, if you can't find something, like the tissues, what do you ask the staff?
I ask, do you have any tissues? And I found them next to the magazines.
Perfect. You remembered next to, too. Now, how do you ask for the price?
I look at the price tag. Or I ask, how much is this?
You're doing great. 2 more questions. What do you say at the counter to make your lunch box hot?
I say, can you heat this up, please?
And finally, how do you pay? What are the 2 ways?
Cash or card? Cash is paper money, and card is a credit card. And don't forget to take the receipt.
Wow, Peter, you remembered every single thing.
Today was really fun, Charlotte. I feel much more confident now. I can go to any convenience store.
That's the spirit. Next time, I'll teach you how to buy things at a pharmacy.
A pharmacy. That sounds useful. See you next time, Charlotte.
See you next time, Peter. Bye-bye. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do you say if you want the staff to heat up your food? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.
Bye.